My washer won't drain.
Is your washer top or front loading? How old is it?
Top load. Maytag Rubos XL. I got it maybe 7 years ago.
How long has this been going on with your Maytag washer? What have you tried so far?
A few days. I replaced the pump.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, I am Joel and will be glad to help you. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer to help you with your appliance questions. Please give me just a moment to review your question. I am sorry to hear you are having trouble. I know how frustrating that can be. If you replace the drain pump and the pump is not working, then it's not getting voltage from the control board, which means the control board will have to be replaced. If you give me the model number, I will be glad to give you the part number for the board. If you need more information or have questions, please let me know.
Where is the model number located? I keep getting the LD error code. However, I checked for clogs and replaces the drain pump. Could the error code mean something else? Once I replaced the drain pump, I ran the rinse, drain and spin cycle. It did everything until the drain and spin. Are you still there? Are you seeing my questions through the text messaging? I don't want to call, I am fine chatting.
Raise the washer lid and look toward the back of the washer frame, and you will see a tag with the model and serial number on it.
Before I get the model number, do you have any thoughts on my other questions?
LD is just a long drain error. It means the control is saying the washer is either not draining at all or it's taking too long to drain. Does the drain pump run at all?
I don't hear anything, but I can hook a shop vac up to the drain hose and get the water out so it isn't clogged.
Okay, so the drain pump is not getting voltage from the control. If you want the part number, I need the model number. Thanks.
Okay, let me get it.
Thanks.
MVW 87258W0, model number.
The part number you need is part number W107634749. You may find it on eBay or Amazon, or you can just Google that part number and you will find plenty of places to order it from online.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.